Are you seeking the perfect family excursion for your upcoming cruise, but you're unsure where to begin? Well, today we will unveil the best family and budget-friendly shore excursions you can book. Be sure to watch until the end where I give you a bonus tip as well as provide you access to a free tool to help you budget your next cruise. Let's begin. Now, the first option is a guided city tour. During a memorable trip to Mexico, I embarked on a double-decker bus tour with my mother and sister. As we marveled at historical sites and explored the local markets and gazed at famous landmarks, we couldn't help but feel an electric connection to the vibrant tapestry of Mexican life. Our tour was amazing. I would suggest booking tours of this nature through reputable companies like Navigator, who offer a wide array of discounted shore excursions worldwide. They will often have a pickup point or that's close or at the terminal, so you don't have to worry about navigating an unfamiliar city. And if you'd like to check that out, I will place a link to Navigator in the description below. So you've arrived in port, and stepping off the ship, you see these beautiful sunny beaches with white sand and crystal blue waters. Here, my fellow budget conscious travelers, lies the key to an unforgettable and affordable shore excursion. A blissful day at the beach. It's the perfect way to make the most of your port time, offering a serene coastal haven where you can relax in a cozy hammock or savor a refreshing tropical drink. Embrace the essence of a carefree beach day where worries fade away amidst the beauty of nature. Now, if your family is anything like mine, you enjoy a good meal. Food tasting tours can satisfy your taste buds and curiosity. These tours allow you to sample local cuisine at various eateries while learning about the region's culinary history. And typically there is a different price for the adults and the kids. Now, another tip with this type of excursion is to look for tours that include multiple tastings and avoid those that have expensive add-ons. Moving on to our next excursion, it would be a snorkeling excursion. Now, these can be quite affordable and family-friendly activities to do while you are in port. These adventures are not only awe-inspiring, but they are just simply beautiful. Many renowned cruise destinations offer snorkeling excursions where you can immerse yourself in the underwater wonders. Just remember to check the minimum age requirements before booking to ensure everyone in the party is able to attend. Now, this leads me into my bonus tip. Make use of the complimentary activities for kids while you are in port. As I just stated, not all excursions allow all children of all ages due to some safety issues or just general requirements. Now, when you're researching excursions, you may find that the type of excursion, while discounted, would not be the best activity for your child. It may be a tour with lots of walking, or it just might be activities a kid might find boring. Instead of wasting money by bringing them along, you can leave them on the ship while you go ashore. Now, for Carnival, the hours are complimentary while you're in port, so from the time you arrive until 12 p.m., at which time they take a break for lunch, and then the activities begin at 1 until 10 p.m. Now, this is for ages 2 to 11. And for Princess, the same times apply, but this is for ages 3 to 11. On Royal Caribbean, all ages are welcome to stay on board while you go ashore. However, you would want to check, no matter what cruise line it is, to see how they coordinate contacting you in the event of an emergency. And here's to the free tool we're talking about. It is our cruise budget worksheet that we use to plan all of our cruises. Over the last few videos, we've given you our tips and tricks, and now you can use our worksheet for free to put those tips and tricks into use and save the most you can on your next cruise vacation. In order to access it, just click on the link that is in the pinned comments below or in the description of this video. So now, do you want to learn more about how to use cruise line payment deadlines to save on your next family cruise? Well, take a look at this video. That'll help you do just that.